You're not lazy. You've just been told that so many times that you started to believe it. But let me tell you the truth. You are not lazy. You're just unfocused. And that can be fixed. Meet John. Tund had dreams. Big ones. He wanted to change his life, to become something more. But every single day, he did nothing. Hours turned into days. Days turned into weeks. And nothing changed. So he told himself, I'm just lazy. And the worst part? He believed it. Sound familiar? But here's what no one tells you. Lazy people don't feel guilty. Lazy people don't overthink. Lazy people don't sit at night, wondering why they're not doing better. But you do. You feel it. That pressure, that frustration, that voice in your head saying, you should be doing more. That's not laziness. That's awareness. That's potential. So what's really the problem? Distraction, endless scrolling, notifications, too many ideas, too many goals, too many things pulling you in different directions. You're busy, but not productive. You start something, then switch to something else, then something else, until the day is gone. And you're left wondering, what did I even do today? That's not laziness. That's lack of focus. And focus is a skill, which means you can train it. Tund didn't need more motivation. He needed clarity. So he made a decision not to change everything, but to change one thing, just one. He picked a goal, a clear one, and he committed to it. No distractions, no excuses, just action. Day one felt hard, really hard. His mind kept wandering. His body wanted comfort. His habits pulled him back. Day two felt even worse. But he didn't stop, because this time, he understood something different. It wasn't about motivation. It was about discipline. Then day three came, and something small shifted. Focus got a little easier. The noise got quieter. Progress, even if small, started to show. And that changed everything. Because progress builds confidence. And confidence builds momentum. And momentum, that's what changes lives. Day by day, Tund became sharper, more focused, more in control. Not because life got easier, but because he got stronger. And suddenly, he wasn't lazy anymore. He was focused. And that changed everything. So listen carefully. You don't need motivation. You need clarity. You don't need more time. You need direction. You don't need to do everything. You just need to start one thing, one task, one goal, one step, right now, not tomorrow, not next week, now. Because the longer you wait, the harder it gets. And the longer you stay unfocused, the more you convince yourself that you're something you're not. You are not lazy. You are distracted. You are overwhelmed. You are unfocused. And all of that can be fixed, but only if you decide to take control, to cut the noise, to focus on what matters, to do the work, even when you don't feel like it. Because that's the difference. That's what separates people who stay stuck from those who move forward. So start today. Start small. Start messy. But start focused. Because once you master your focus, you master your life. And once you take control of your attention, nothing can stop you. You're not lazy. You're just unfocused. And now, it's time to fix it. Subscribe and be a member of this channel, because Not everyone is meant to hear this voice. We don't speak to everyone, only to those ready to rise. If you're listening, you already know what to do. Follow the voice of hustle. Speak less. Grind more.